Challenges facing Airbus. Airbus stands as Europe's aerospace champion, delivering cutting-edge aircraft and advancing space exploration through the European Space Agency. But even leaders face headwinds. One challenge is intense competition with Boeing in the global commercial aircraft market, where others, innovation, and delivery speed can make or break dominance. Supply chain constraint and shortages of critical components have slowed production, threatening Airbus' ability to meet growing airline demand. In the defense and space sector, budget pressures from European government and shifting geopolitical priorities can delay or scale back projects. Meanwhile, the push toward sustainable aviation, from hydrogen-powered aircraft to lower emissions designs, requires massive investment in improving technologies. Airbus's ability to balance innovation, efficiency, and sustainability will determine whether it stays in the lead or gets overtaken in the race for the skies and beyond. Thanks for watching.